Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Companion Fare Alaska Airlines. First, go to the Alaska Airlines website or open the app. Then sign in to your mileage plan account. Next, click Use Discount or Companion Fare Code to open the entry box. Paste your companion fare code into the box, enter your trip details, and then click Find Flights. Browse the eligible flights, and you'll see the discounted price with your companion fare applied. Complete the booking as usual, and your companion's ticket will cost just $99 plus taxes. And that's it. That's how to use Companion Fare Alaska Airlines. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.